Here we are going to make the shapes here. Let's generate another design. Explore the more and more options. We have to use it. So there is a design. It's a circular shape here. We will find it. So that's it. I will add a paint around it. There is a pen tool. We will select different shapes. Also add a paint using the eraser tool. Change the pattern from there.